Hi guys, so this is just going to be a brief one. It's actually going to be a bit longer than I think, but I just want to put out a couple of integers, and I've changed their values around based on some more operators. Some I think that need to be reiterated, others I don't think I've covered yet. But firstly, again, we've got a little comment out here. So we're saying x plus equals 1. X plus equals x, so x is equal to x plus x. That's not hard. Y take away equals 4 is just y is equal to y take away 4, which winds up being negative 2. Here we've got x x divided by equal to y is saying that x dividing by y, and both of them are values at 2, but one's a negative 2, so our answer will be negative 1. Just remember that the double equal sign means that it is equal to, it's not, whereas the one equal sign is saying it's assigning this value. So if we had, actually I'll do that in a second. Now this one's the tough one. What it's doing is it's evaluating this side of the equation first before timesing it by the x. So what it's saying is y plus 1 equals 3, and then it's saying that we need to times this by x. So x times 3. X plus 1 is actually negative 1, and that's negative times negative 1 winds up equaling, when it's all evaluated out, it winds up equaling 1, because two negatives, when you multiply two negatives together, it becomes positive. Remember assignments and all that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you that after this equation goes by, the value of y doesn't change, because so y is still equal to negative 2, because even though we're changing it here, it's just giving it a temporary value. It's not saying that y is equal to this, it's just saying that x is equal to it. And so if I were to change it to this, change it to y, it will be negative 2 and 2. So x equals 2, y equals negative 2. And now just a couple more to show you. We'll grab the x value. Again, if you're following along, it's good. If you haven't bothered, don't worry about it. Now, what we can do here is we can do x plus plus and x minus minus. Well, minus minus. Remember to put the end of it. So we'll have 3 and back down to 2. Now, another way of doing this is by incrementing before the value of x. So if you put x plus plus before the x, it will add it up to 3. If you do it after the x, it will then do it on the next time x is mentioned. So there. Now, that's it for this video. It's carried on a lot longer than I would have liked. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll continue this on with a little bit of true or false measures and all that. You'll see what I mean next video.